welcome back to FLS Kids. It's time for le mot de la semaine. Today's word is all about how we feel inside. Les sentiments. Can you say with me? Les sentiments. It means feelings in French. Our sentiments can change throughout the day, and that's okay. Fred and Renette are talking about their day. How are you feeling today, Fred? Fred gives a big thumbs up and a giant smile. Je suis content, he says. Content means happy. Fred is content because it is a sunny day today. But then, Renette looks a little quiet. She dropped her ice cream on the grass. Oh non, Renette. Tu es triste? Asked Fred. Triste means sad. It's okay to feel triste sometimes. Fred gives her a big hug. Suddenly, wow! A big butterfly flutters by, and Renette's eyes open so wide. Oh, I am so surprised. Surprise en français. What a fun surprise in the garden. Renette and Fred know that sharing your sentiments or feelings with a friend makes everything better. So, let's remember together. Les sentiments, feelings. Content, happy. Triste, sad. Surpris, surprise. Bravo les amis! Comment tu te sens aujourd'hui? How are you feeling today? Are you content? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to follow FLS Kids for more fun French word every week. À bientôt!